Good morning, guys. It is January 22nd, 2024. This video here, I'm going to do a video on this GE GTW 465 washing machine. It's brand new. Just hooked it up the other day. As well as the dryer. The dryer's new. I'm gonna do a load here. And I've got to get some detergent in there. So just give me a second. In case you're wondering, right now I'm using Purex. It's pretty good stuff. We don't use Tide or any of the fancy stuff. We just get what's cheaper. And it does the job. So get that on there. There you go. So, we've used this machine a couple times already. Other members of the household have, gotten some of their laundry done and seems to be doing a good job. So, yeah, so I just got a load of lighter colors. That's usually all I do. I do lights and darks. I don't really do whites and colors and stuff like that because I don't have very many clothes, and I just like to keep it simple. So that's in there. We're gonna shut the lid. Now the lid does lock, but it only locks on the spin cycle. So here we go. Let's see. I've got normal, deep clean. That seems about right. This has way more cycles than our old one did. Second rinse, extra spin. And soak. Nope, don't want that. I want it on cold. And we'll try medium for the water level. And then press this button. And away we go. And there's a rinse. It's definitely more advanced than the old one was. Still simple, but it's more advanced. Kind of a learning curve, but I think we'll learn it. It is a high efficiency, so you're not going to get away from that unless you go up to like a speed queen or something, but we could not afford that, so we did the best we could. And I think we picked pretty well. I did a lot of research on these machines, and yeah, they seem to be good. I mean, obviously you're gonna get a few, reviews and stuff of people who are disgusted with the product, but I mean, the majority of people said they were pretty good, and it was pretty close to what we had, and so I think it's gonna be good. The dryer I'm not really concerned about. It's pretty simple. It's actually got a real timer and stuff, so I think the dryer should not give us any issues. If anything, the washer is the one that I would be concerned about, because it is kind of electronic here. So, but, you know, that's just the reality of, you know, the world we're living in now. And you just do the best you can. So, but yeah, I mean, so far so good. Only had it like 2 days, 3 days. But, you know, we're getting caught up on laundry. We were trying to hold out when the old one kind of went to put, you know, we got it to a point where we could use it, but we would have to really watch and make sure that it actually didn't, you know, burn out or anything like that. So, but thankfully we weren't that desperate to have to do laundry, but yeah, so, yeah. So, anyway, that's the video on this machine. Yeah, I'm pretty happy with it. Yeah, it's pretty good. So, actually, that's pretty small load. The old machine didn't have a load size selector knob on it yet. So it was yeah. Yeah. So that's enough. Alright. Yeah, that's a small load. There's no need for it to be super full. They're submerged. Yeah, I'm pretty happy. A lot of people said that this is loud when it's doing its wash. This is quieter than our old one. Our old one was very loud. So, I don't know what people are talking about. Maybe they were going from a higher end machine. But this is pretty quiet. I mean, yeah, it makes noise. You're not going to get away from that. But, you know, it's pretty good. I'm pretty happy with it so far. And we'll see how it holds up. I will give you an update as time goes on. But so far, so good. Pretty happy with it. So, please like, comment, and subscribe, and stay tuned for more videos.